Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you what to do if your XIAOMI A Pro TV remote control isn't working. First, check the batteries inside your remote control. Remove the back cover and either reinsert the batteries or replace them with a fresher pair. Then try using your remote control again and see if it works. If it's not working, try to quickly reset your remote control by holding down the settings button and the home button at the same time. Hold them down close to your TV and wait for the screen to appear. Keep your remote control close and let it reconnect to your TV. You will hear a single beep that signals remote control detection. If your remote control isn't reset this way, remove the batteries first. Then get rid of the residual power by holding down the power button for about half a minute. Keep holding it. We're also going to restart our TV by unplugging it from the power outlet or wall socket. Then release the power button of your remote control and reinsert the batteries. Apply the cover. Now your TV has to be turned off for around half a minute or more. After this time, reinsert the power cord into the power outlet or wall socket. Then short press the power button at the bottom of your TV to start it once again. Just wait until your TV starts and go through the same connection steps we went through before. Once the TV is relaunched, hold down the settings and home buttons as previously and wait for the same signal on your TV. Keep your remote control close and wait until it is paired. If it doesn't start to pair, hold down the same two buttons for a couple of seconds until the connecting message shows on your screen. Once you see your remote control is connected successfully, you can proceed with using it. If these steps didn't help you, you can use your smartphone as a remote control using the Google Home application. We actually have a separate video about how to use your smartphone as a remote control for this TV. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.